Okay, everybody. I was at a Mopar car show and I came across this sweet 67 Coronet, obviously with the big 426 Hemi in it. As soon as I came upon this, I stopped in my tracks. Look at this engine. It is clean, detailed, and you know it's making some big horsepower. True old school Hemi car. Check it out. Body and paint are flawless. He put the right shoes on it. And where do we get up to this interior? Look at that. Clean and detailed. Nice cage. Gauge is all in place. Awesome shifter. Kind of reminds me of my car. Look at the rims. Nicely tubbed in the back. Probably a mini tub. Owner of this vehicle has quite a bit to be proud of. So another one of those super sweet rides. Hope you enjoyed looking because this clearly was my best in show. Like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Thanks.